Hi everyone. Today we're going to study sinking fund. Let us define sinking fund. Sinking fund is the periodic payment or deposit made in an annuity. This is the formula for the sinking fund. If the future value denoted by FV in an account after T years is deposited N times a year at an interest R, then the sinking fund M is denoted by this big formula here. M equals, there is a big fraction here. The numerator is the product of the FV times the fraction R over N. In our denominator, it is a little bit complex also. We have a binomial here, 1 plus the fraction R over N. And this binomial is raised into a power that is a product of NT. And then this whole quantity is minus 1. Take note that this formula is a manipulated version of the ordinary annuity. Let us see this example 1. Robert needs $5,000 in 3 years. How much should he deposit each month in an account that pays 8% in order to achieve his goal? Let us solve this first by writing the given of the problem, starting with the future value, that is FV, and that is the $5,000, followed by time denoted by T, and that is 3 years. Next is the rate denoted by R, that is the 8%. We will change this 8% into decimal. First, let us divide this 8 by 100. Of course, we drop the percent sign, and the quotient we will get 0.08. And the number of times in a year that Robert should deposit is 12. In here it's written each month. So 12 times in a year that Robert will do deposit. Our big formula is written here now. So let us do the substitution. So we can see here that M equals, in our numerator, FV is now 5,000 and multiplied to the fraction R over N, 0.08 over 12. So this fraction here is the same fraction that we will write in the denominator at this portion. So we have 1 plus that 0.08 over 12. And this binomial is raised into a power NT. N becomes 12 now, and T is 3. And then the minus 1 is a constant. Let us simplify further by getting the quotient of the fraction. 0.08 over 12 is now 0.006666. And this same decimal will appear at the bottom in the denominator. In our next step, in our numerator, we will multiply the 5,000 by this decimal. So we will get 33.33. in our denominator, we will add this constant one plus this pure decimal. Simply, we will combine them together. So we have 1.006666, that is raised to 36. And that minus 1, we will simply copy. We can get the simplified value of this decimal raised to 36, and the answer is 1.270207. And if we subtract this by 1, this whole number 1 here will disappear, and only a pure decimal will come at the bottom in the denominator. So we have now 33.33 divided by 0.270207, and the answer is 123.35. This is our M. This is the sinking fund. Of course, we will attach our dollar sign, and this is our final answer. Let us see example 2. A company has a $120,000 note due in 4 years. How much should be deposited at the end of each quarter in a sinking fund to pay off the note in 4 years if the interest rate is 8%? Let us now write the given of the problem, starting with our future value. That is the $120,000. Next is the time, denoted by T, that is 4 years, followed by the number of times in a year that the company must deposit the amount, and it's written here each quarter. For our N, it will be 4. There are 4 quarters in a year. Next is the rate, denoted by R. That is the 8%. We will convert this 8% into decimal. We will write first this 8 over 100. We drop that percent sign, and then we will get the quotient 8 over 100, that is equal to 0.08. Our big formula is now here. So let us now start doing the substitution. Our M equals the FV, or the future value, is now 120,000 times the fraction R over N. So this is now 0.08, that is the R, over 4, that is the N. The same fraction will come down here. We will copy the constant 1, and the exponent will be NT. And NT is 4 times 4. And we will copy the minus 1 in here. Let us simplify further, first by getting the quotient of our fraction. 0.08 over 4, that will be 0.02. The same decimal will come down here. For our next step, we will multiply this decimal with a 120,000, so we will get 2,400. In here, we will combine this number 1 plus the pure decimal, so we will get 1.02. We're going to raise this value into 16, and the value is 1.372786. And then we will subtract this by 1. It means this whole number 1 here will simply be eliminated. Only the pure decimal will come down, and that is the 0.37 2786. And then we will divide 2400 divided by 0.372786. And the quotient is 6438.01. We will attach the dollar sign. This is our sinking fund. This is our final answer. I hope you learned something from this video. See you again next time. Hi, math enthusiasts. I would like to invite you to join us and be a member of e-DEOlogy community. If you become a member, you will help e-DEOlogy YouTube channel to make more math videos and to ease logistics expenses. As a member, here are your perks. All members will receive this beautiful and customized e-DEOlogy Fun badge. There are 3 levels of membership. The first level is bronze. Bronze members enjoy 100% of videos, plus bronze certified member badge that look exactly like this. The second level is silver. Silver members enjoy 100% of videos, plus you will receive the silver certified member badge, and it is here. As a silver member, you are considered to be a sponsor of 3 members only videos, plus you are a sponsor of 1 public video. This public video means these are merged videos of 3 to 7 math topics. As a sponsor, acknowledgement is given on the latter part of the video, that is, your name or your channel is shown as one of the sponsors. The third level and the highest is gold. Gold members enjoy 100% of videos, plus you will receive this gold certified member badge, and it is here. As a gold member, you are considered to be a major sponsor of 30 members only videos, plus major sponsor of 10 public videos. As a major sponsor, acknowledgement is given on the early part of the video, that is, your name or your channel is shown as one of major sponsors. See you all in e-DEOlogy community and get this beautiful e-DEOlogy Fun badge and be a member according to your interest as a bronze member, a silver member, or a gold member. We love to see you in e-DEOlogy community.